The Ford Mondeo has been unveiled in China through the Changan Ford partnership, offered in 6 variants priced between 149,800 and 199,800 yuan, approximately 21,200 to 28,300 US dollars. It features an updated interior system and a choice of powertrains, positioning it firmly in the mid-size sedan market where it rivals models like the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry. The exterior keeps the familiar silhouette of the 2025 model, but introduces refreshed styling touches. At the front, the Mondeo now carries an octagonal grille with a chrome matrix design, and the old split headlight setup has been replaced by integrated headlights that include triple-segment LED daytime running lights. The roofline tapers into a sleek fastback profile, complemented by black accents on the roof, window surrounds, and side mirrors for a more modern look. All trims feature hidden door handles, replacing the traditional design. At the rear, the through-style taillight bar remains, though the internal light elements have been redesigned. The previous silver chrome bumper trim has been swapped for a cleaner black finish. The body size is unchanged at 4,935 millimeters long, 1,875 millimeters wide, and 1,500 millimeters tall, with a 2,945 millimeter wheelbase. Buyers can choose from 17, 18, or 19-inch wheels, while the higher trims come with 19-inch rims wrapped in 235/45 R19 tires. Inside the cabin, the central control setup continues to use a single integrated screen, now enlarged to a 1.1 meter wide, 27-inch 4K display stretching across the dashboard. The dashboard and center console have been revised, and the passenger side panel now features a floating design. Beneath the air vents, Ford has added physical rotary knobs and shortcut buttons for easier operation. A wireless charging pad is standard, and the traditional gear lever has been replaced by a rotary shifter alongside open cup holders. The interior runs on the Sync Plus system, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, offering Apple CarPlay, faster startup performance, and a 540-degree surround view camera for enhanced visibility. The panoramic sunroof spans almost 1 square meter, and cabin storage has been expanded to 47.5 liters. These updates mark a clear improvement in interior space compared with the 2025 Mondeo, which featured more conventional seating and smaller infotainment displays. The Mondeo offers multiple powertrain choices, starting with a 1.5-liter turbo engine available in 2 tunes, 140 kilowatts or 144 kilowatts, both producing 263 newton-meters of torque. There's also a more powerful 2.0-liter turbo engine, delivering 192 kilowatts and 408 newton-meters. For buyers seeking efficiency, a 1.5-liter hybrid option combines a 140 kilowatts engine with a 96 kilowatts electric motor and an eCVT transmission. All non-hybrid models come paired with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Trim levels start with entry versions equipped with 17-inch wheels, cloth upholstery, and LED headlights, while higher variants add 19-inch wheels, larger screens, advanced driver assistance tech, and upgraded seating materials. Together, these engine and trim options keep the Mondeo competitive in China's mid-size sedan market, offering choices tailored to different customer needs. Ford China has confirmed that the 2026 Mondeo's Sync Plus system is built on a completely new hardware and software platform, making it different from the systems used in the 2022 to 2025 models. Because of this change, the company does not recommend forcing older vehicles to upgrade, as doing so may affect system performance and driving safety. Over the past 2 years, Ford has continued refining the Sync Plus systems in the 2022 to 2025 Mondeo lineup, adding features like mobile screen mirroring, updated Baidu Maps with traffic light countdowns, green wave speed guidance, destination push alerts, parking suggestions, floating navigation cards, and a more capable voice assistant. Overall, the 2026 Ford Mondeo delivers a well-rounded upgrade with refreshed styling, a more advanced interior, and a wider range of powertrain choices. With its improved technology, enhanced comfort, and updated Sync Plus system, it strengthens its position in China's mid-size sedan market and offers buyers a more modern, premium, and versatile package than before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.